Hey everyone, this is Reddy from Wealthy Options. Welcome to 47th episode of 0DT Pulse. Today it was a Nifty expiry. Nifty opened with a gap up of almost like a 50 points, and then from that, from very opening itself, it continued to fall, and it almost fell like a 180 points. So then dramatically it recovered the entire fall, and not only that, it went beyond, and in fact, it rallied almost like a 250 points from the day low. So, but throughout the day, the linear decay was pretty much linear except the 5 to 10 minutes, and that has given enough support, except a couple of places there was a some kind of a little bit spikes, but they did not trouble too much, I would say. So in terms of what worked, as it is a steady fall, morning, all the directional and semi-directional strategies, they started making the money, and but when Nifty started reversing, by here, most of the put SLs gone, and but when Nifty started reversing, some of the calls, and when eventually all the stop losses were taken away. In fact, what helped today here is the trailing. So trailing for most of the strategies, it gave a early exit, and the real trouble started from 1 o'clock when Nifty started breaking the day high. So this is when calls started spiking, and which pushed IVs also a little bit high, and around here, in fact, my day went from the profit of 0.2 to almost like a minus 0.2, but from here onwards, because of this red candle, the premium started cooling off, and then the move was not so strong, and because of this red candles and this kind of a consolidation, they kind of finally ended with the profit of almost like a 2%, which works out like a 0.44% on my account size. So in terms of MTM swing, so as I said, most of the day, till 1:30, the PNL was swinging between 0 to 0.2%, and this is where at 2:30 when it went down, ignore this. I think this is like a technical glitch. From here, there was a pretty much good premium, and then as Nifty started losing the stream on the upside, so the premiums also started cooling off, and the day ended with a profit of 0.2%. So which actually came out from two of these accounts, and with this the month is in the profit of like a 2.1% so far. So what worked today? Today it's a directional and a semi-directional strategies, and overall morning session was it was a bit of a trouble, and afternoon session not only recovered the losses, it also actually helped the day to close in the profit. So that's it for this week, and if you like the content, give it a thumbs up and share it within your circles, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye.